Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. So today's video I am going to be doing my DIY hair mask deep conditioning. So I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair, and basically I'm using my DIY product, which is a avocado with banana, with honey, and with coconut oil. So it's just 4 ingredients, and I will be showing you guys how I apply it into my hair. Alright guys, so I'm going to be starting out on clean hair. So what I did was wash my hair, and then I will be applying the DIY mask just so it's easier to you know, kind of like penetrate through into my scalp and my follicle and all that good stuff. So yeah, but I'll be doing it in sections, and I'm gonna be using this comb. Just part. This is gonna be quite messy, so I'm gonna try and not be messy with it, but I have something here to kind of help with the messiness. So yeah. Okay, basically here now I'm pretty much done, and what I'm doing is just making sure everything is on my head, and I'm gonna be putting a plastic cap over it shortly. And then I actually kept it in longer than 45 minutes, but you can keep it less than that because it's better and you don't want banana stuck in your hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for